Entire market is dropping. What's the reason behind that? Let's discuss it, and let me give you new signals that we took with my team. Remind you a few words about previous analysis. Remember, we took short on Ripple, we took short on ZEC. Quite a lot of my teammates made significant money. If you remember, I recommended last time publicly to take those trades during our live session. For me, it's so interesting how many of you were with me here. Remind to you what I gave you. I gave you Bitcoin Cash signal at that day. Also, I gave you Ripple. We took Ripple, but remember, I recommended to you in a case if they would take my stop loss to reopen a trade because honestly, it wasn't the best place. And also, I gave you that signal. You can see that all of the situations in the end played out. Yes, it didn't play out from the first one because you can see even my personal trade, what I did. I took a short. My first trade hit stop loss. I lost 267, and after that I took new short with 1,700. That's the example for you how trading looks like. You don't make money because you're right in every case. You make money because your profit's bigger than your losses. Be with me. Let's do analysis. Be with me because at the end I will give you new signals that we took today with my team. Uh, at this moment, push like to this live to this analysis, and let's go. Let's build trading plans together. First start, as always with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in downtrend. Our major goal is to look for trades that follow the downtrend. Price rejected from first VWAP deviation since the swing high. Honestly, it wasn't the best place for a short. What at this moment, for me, it is a key resistance 92 or around 100K. In the case of retest 192K, we will take short trade. My entry approximately would be something like this. Stop loss, in most cases, I use simply mathematical stop loss 2% and potential target to take this swing low 74, 72. Remember that I will take a trade only in a case of local confirmation. What is a local confirmation? Let's go to Ripple. It is the same a reason why I gave this Ripple signal to all our community members. Remember, we took this Ripple. What was the reason why we gave this Ripple signal? Because there was massive open interest absorption at range high. That's a reason why we often gave a signal to our community. You can see open interest increased quite significantly. Increased. Several times open interest tried to push Ripple out and failed. That's a signal of absorption. And because of that, we took short trade and gave a signal, and our community members made money. The same with Bitcoin. In a case of reaching this key area and absorption, we will take short. Of course, if that would be a situation, we will share a signal as we do within our community members, where we will give a stop loss, take profit, entry reason, all of this stuff we will share within our community. Let's go to other top coins. Before I have a good news that at this moment you can join our community with best offer. It is Cyber Monday discount at this moment that you can join and receive from us signals, updates, trading plans, and education, because you can see that it really works. Example for you, feedbacks from our students. Let me give you to read this beautiful feedback from Ali. Thanks, Master. In your live session and club, you gave us signals. Ripple, ZEC, you really boosted my confidence and I achieved great result. You can see ZEC dropped more than 30% since that entry point. That's a reason why I advise you to follow me, because you will make money with us in the end. It is a statistic since start of this month. You can see that we don't have 100% win rates at every situation played out, but those situations that go into our favor, people make in several times more. If you would risk 250, that would be your profit by using our signals. That's why, once more, below this video, there would be first link. You will open it. There would be special form. Fill it right now and join with Cyber Monday discount. Additionally, you can choose a second option. Like first option, it is optimal. It is access to VIP signal and community where we share signals, trading plans. Second option, it is education also. 2 online one-on-one meetings with my teammates, with my traders who work with me, who trade also, who will guide you and share your what exactly you need to do. That's why choose your option and join. Let's go to other top coins. What would be the next? Remember that market at this moment has huge correlation to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin down, it means we have a downward trend. For Ethereum, remember during live session, I mentioned key area 3,239. At this moment, I think key resistance, it is at 3,100. It is a key resistance for me on Ethereum. From my point of view, it is also a downtrend with major target to take maybe 2,000, something like that, to take this imbalance in that. That's a reason, once more, in the case of range creation, retest of this key area, we will take short. In the case of local confirmation, as always. Solana looks even weaker compared to other coins. Key resistance 145. At this moment, as on Solana, as on Ripple, we have significant open interest rise. That's really huge, nearly 269 million worth of positions. You can see that most of this volume entered in this tiny area. If price continue ranging and squeezing below this one, it would be a continuation of a downtrend mode. That's a reason why at this moment, once more, we wait what will be if price slowly squeeze below. It would be a signal that with bigger chance Ethereum will go down to take previous low minimum. That's why once more wait for local confirmation and take a trade, because in that case our stop loss and take profit would be something like this one, around 2,842. It's possible to take short with major target below previous swing low. Some of you would ask me, Yuri, is it possible maybe there would be a reversal? Theoretically, it's possible that there could be a rise from that volume, but it would be against the trend, and to predict it, it's difficult, and I don't like to take trades against the trend. That's a reason why I advise you to look for a long. In what cases it would be possible to take, to call it absorption that lead to rise? I would do it only if price would do some local rise, retest, only in the case of clear structure break. For me, this situation would be bullish. Without it, simply we fall down. That's why once more, summary about Ethereum. Global trend is down, price in the middle, not a good place for anything to do. With bigger chance there would be continuation if price slowly would squeeze down. Best area for short around 3,100. Solana, best area for short 145. Also on Solana we have significant open interest rise, and it's really important to see what would be the reaction, because if price after this open interest continues squeeze down, it would be possible even to take a local short. The same with the same stuff with potential reversal. Only in the case of clear structure break, we will do something new. But I will do such updates only inside our community, because you must see it when real structure break happens. You don't. It's impossible to do an update right now because there must be actual structure break. Ripple played out really well, took range high, and at this moment continued dropping. About Ripple, at this moment, I wait for a new consolidation to take a short. Like, I have two options at this moment on Ripple. First option, it is, in the case of reaching 227, I will take short. Or second option, price create a range, new local range, and that range high I will use for a short. For me, long would be possible only in a case of clear structure break. It means price come back into previous value. Have a look like this one. we have previous value, price come back into previous value, create local consolidation. Only for me, that would be a good signal for potential reversal, because at this moment to find the bottom, it's really difficult. I lost maybe a biggest amount of money when I was looking for reversal. It's worstest idea to look for reversal. That's why I have two major plans. It is this one and this one. Take swing high or local range for a short. Hyper liquid. Globally, this coin also in downtrend. With bigger chance we will take this key levels. That's what minimum what I assume. Around 35, 36 is the best resistance area. It is a place where we would look for a short. BNB, honestly, I waited for retest to 1,000. Price didn't do it. At this moment, you can see at this moment, price so far from view up. Key resistance, like long-term resistance, it is still view up. At this moment, new short possible if there would be a range created, or even bigger retest to 1,000, and after that short. Still, I think sooner or later price could retest a view up, and that could play out as the biggest resistance. Like that could be something like this. At that moment, view up would be exactly around 1K, and that would be a good place for a short. Dogecoin, all other coins, as you can see, they simply follow BTC. And the last coin that I would like to discuss, it is ZEC. Remember, during a live session, I gave you a recommendation that this coin with bigger chance would drop. It dropped 28%. Major reason, because as you can see, massive open interest build up, and price started consolidation, and boom. That's the reason why my community members made money, because they follow my strategies. And at this moment, what I advise you to do, wait for good situation to take a short trade. Push like, join our community. And right now I prepared for you a video lesson where I showed you an example how I use those indicators, open interest, market structure to make money. Watch it right now and have a good day.